Welcome to the mathematicsrose channel by sajidakhtersir. This is the calculus for class 11. So here today I am going to explain the differentiation from the first principle by delta method, or we can say also ab initio method. So first of all, the question I have taken, it is the formula 1. Actually, find the derivative of sin x with respect see it is coming or not, with respect to x from first principle or which is called delta method or it is also known as ab initio method. So now here fx is equal to, given derivative means differential coefficient sin x, and now suppose it is taken as y. Let us take it as y. So dy by dx. The formula is limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x minus fx upon delta x. So now function fx is equal to sin x. So in place of x, if we will change x plus delta x, in place of x it will become sin x plus delta x. I have already explained in my previous video this delta x. Delta x is the small increment in a small change in x. So now here limit delta x tends to 0 f x plus delta x is equal to what? Sin x plus delta x, and fx is equal to, it is given sin x, तो put sin x. तो f यहाँ पे हट जाएगा इसलिए कि यहाँ पे ये है वैल्यू दिया हुआ, and divide upon delta x. As you know that sin c minus sin d. तो आप याद कर लेंगे ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का फॉर्मूला 2 cos c plus d by 2 up into sin c minus d by 2. So trigonometry is very important for this. I will start trigonometry from my 11th class channel also, because after completion of this I will come to the 12 students. So limit delta x tends to 0 to x plus delta x is taken as c and x is taken as d. So 2 cos c plus d upon 2. Using this formula, c is equal to x plus delta x and d is equal to x here. So sin x plus delta x minus x हो जाएगा यहाँ पे upon 2 divided by delta x. X will cancel over here. Now limit delta x tends to 0. 2 cos, this is 2x plus delta x upon 2, x plus x 2x, and now this is sin only delta x by 2 upon delta x as limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta, it is equal to 1, which I have discussed, where theta is measured in radian. So here sin delta x by 2. So in place of theta is delta x by 2 and here is only delta x. So you will have to make theta by theta, मतलब सेम करना है. तो यहाँ पे अपने से आप डिवाइड कीजिएगा 2 से और 2 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिएगा. ये 2 और ये 2 कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है. अब हम लोग लिमिट लेंगे. लिमिट डेल्टा एक्स टेंस टू, दो फंक्शन अगर है तो दोनों फंक्शन का अलग अलग लिमिट ले सकते हैं. कॉस 2x प्लस एक्स अपॉन 2 इंटू लिमिट डेल्टा एक्स टेंस टू 0 साइन डेल्टा एक्स अपॉन 2 बाई डेल्टा एक्स अपॉन 2. ये डेल्टा एक्स अपॉन 2 को हम लोग यहाँ लिख दिए हैं. I hope you will understand this. So now putting the value of delta x tends to 0. So here we are going to remove the limit. So cos 2x plus 0 upon 2, and this is in the form of limit theta tends to 0 sin theta by theta. So here you can say that delta x tends to 0, delta x, when delta x tends to 0, it means that delta x by 2 also tends to 0. So the whole thing becomes 1. Here it is 1. So it is equal to cos 2x upon 2. So it will cancel out 2 and 2. So cos x. It means that dy by dx is equal to cos x. So it means that differential coefficient of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x. इसको आप लोग लर्न कर जाइएगा. और इसी तरह से आप करेंगे क्या कि आप अपने याद कर लेंगे डिफरेंशियल कोफिशिएंट ऑफ cos x इज इक्वल टू माइनस साइन x. सिर्फ यहाँ पे आपका जो फॉर्मूला ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का लगेगा वो हम लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. वो जो है साइन c माइनस साइन d का फॉर्मूला. तो साइन c यहाँ पे फॉर्मूला उसमें लगेगा cos c माइनस cos d बराबर 2 साइन c प्लस d बाई 2 इंटू साइन d माइनस c बाई 2. तो ये फॉर्मूला लगेगा और आप इसी तरह से इसको कर लेंगे. तो होप यू विल अंडरस्टैंड. So differentiation of sin x with respect to x is equal to cos x, and differentiation of cos x with respect to x is equal to minus sin x. It is your task, so you can do by your own. If you will do the whole method, you will understand calculus very well. And I think the video will, I am not going to explain more in this video because your video is going to be longer. Nobody is going to see the video. So please try to watch, view, as well as like, share and subscribe, everybody will say. And also please watch the video till end so that you will understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.